Hey guys, it's me Valerie, and today I have my very first squishy package, so let's get started. Here it is. Address, personal stuff. Right there. It's a squishy. So I'll just be opening it. I think I don't cut any of the packaging. I'll get the first look. Y'all get the first look. Hopefully you are able to see that, but I cannot see it. Oh, God, it smells bad. It is a milky bottle. Take it out. Ooh. It's really sticky. I got this from Amazon, by the way, I think. Also, sorry for any background like this. I got this one. So there is no defects. Oh my God, there is a defect right there. But that's okay because I didn't expect it to be like really super the best quality and everything because it was only 25 cents, so I didn't expect it to be that good. But the smell is really getting to me. So yeah, really super cute. No, but yeah, it's really cute. So I will be making a clip for this ball chain and everything, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.